Prep Homestead.
Today is Friday, August 16, 2024.
I'm Rocco Castro,
And I'm Lucas Saavedra.
and you're watching Python TV.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Whew, can you believe it? It's already the first Friday of the school year.
It's the second day, and it's Friday. Everybody knows that Fridays are the best.
Personally, I prefer Wednesdays.
Let's settle this, Pythons. What's your favorite day of the week? Friday?
Or Wednesday.
Can't we agree that Saturdays are the best day?
You got a point.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Sorry, Pythons, we got a little carried away.
To the important announcements. for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make this school year one for the books. We'll be back with the announcements on Monday. Have a great day. Go Pythons!